left-hand side of the room. One and a half. Again, that's like a role-playing one. It's actually a great way to be able to do it.
Hello? Any musicians out here who want to jam?
Watch it.
The party's about
Watch
to begin.
him be the driest one after.
I hope so.
No. Ooh, that's the first one.
Purple pod.
Why does it let me upside down?
We're just getting started.
Must be green.
Not at night.
Never ever lose sight of what's real.
At least it's not that one.
The girl.
If you're looking for your dickens, you don't have far to go. Tell the people mama told you so.
Oh my god. You don't see it,
Hallelujah! right, the Bayou, that's just what we need.
They all come to the water to play, but let's explore a bit more.
What's this?
I think the people no, you're actually. Oh my god. I don't want to hear it. My shirt's completely
You enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful selves. Lift you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. It's gonna be good.
I know she got wet because my peanuts.
Remain seated. Just remain seated at all
I need a
times.
fight. Andrew, did you get wet? Did you get wet, Andrew? That's what you did. I was kind of sleepy before, and
Keep your hands inside the water at all times, please.
round two guys. Although, if you want to take a bubble, I would go crazy, but I just think there's no longer that. Oh my god, I'm so sorry you're recording.
What am I supposed to get? I'm done here. I'm used to like real.
Sometimes it's hard to believe.
there.
One more water ride. Water ride it right away.
What a band! Remember, it's only what see what it is without
Because then we can say that's
So like you'll stick to it and then go.